Today I am going to present a PPT titled Role of Language in Multicultural Classrooms. So, role of language in multicultural classroom. Introduction. Language as a tool for learning and inclusion. We all know that language connects people. Through language we share our emotions, thoughts and various things. Language as a tool for learning and inclusion. By using language in learning, we can do many things and we can improve the learning of the students. Diverse classrooms and diverse languages. In multicultural classrooms, students came from various backgrounds. So there are different languages and there are diverse languages, many languages. Bridge between culture and education. As there are many cultures, their language works as a bridge between culture and education. Next. Understanding a multicultural classroom. Students from different linguistic and cultural backgrounds. Students came from various cultures, religions. Their various religious beliefs are different. Their aspects are different. So a teacher has to understand all of their thoughts and beliefs through their language and culture. Multiple mother tongues. As students came from various religious backgrounds, the students have different mother tongues. So a teacher has to adapt those mother tongues and works what is best for the students. Language shapes identity. Different language shapes different identities. By using different language, it shapes the students' identities and their cultures. Language as a medium of learning. Language as a medium of learning helps students to understand the concept and instruction. By using the right language, a teacher makes students understand the concept and instruction. What is in their syllabus? What they have to read? What they have to give in exams, or they have to learn. It all a teacher's duty to tell the students about the things. Affects academic performance and confidence. If a student is underconfident about the things and various the learning materials, then he or she will not do good in the exam. So a teacher has to help them in their academics so they can perform well. Clear language reduces learning gaps. We all know that by using a clear language, we can reduce gaps through many people. So if a teacher can use a good language that suits all the students, it will help them all. Language and cultural identity. Language reflects culture, values and traditions. Language reflects many culture and values and traditions. Respect for home languages and home languages builds self-esteem. Every student came from different various backgrounds, so they all have their different mother tongue. And if they get to know about more their mother tongue, it builds their self-esteem and they also motivated for learning. Encourages students to express their identity. If a student can express their identity through their mother tongue, they are more confident in their language. Language in classroom interaction promotes collaboration and real learning. If a student shares their thoughts to another student and works in a group work, it also helps their learning. Supports inclusive discussion and group work. In a classroom, many students do group work. So if they adapt each other's languages and tones, they will help each other to get better learning. Reduces misunderstandings and conflicts. By using a clear language, it reduces misunderstandings and conflicts. Teacher's role in language use. A teacher has to be very careful in using those languages. Use simple, inclusive and clear language. A teacher has to use very simple and clear and inclusive language that connects all the students, so there is no gap in between them. Encourage multilingual support when possible. When any of the students did not understand any of the thing, the teacher has to support them in their own mother tongue, so the student can learn better the things. Create a safe space for language learning. A teacher has to create a safe environment for all the students, so he or she thinks that it is safe for me to learn. Conclusion. Language is a key to inclusion and equality. By using the right language and treating every student equal, it is a teacher's duty to do all the things. Supports learning, identity and communication. A teacher has to be very supportive to understand everyone's identity and communicate to the other students. Effective language use creates a positive classroom environment. By using a effective language, a teacher can create a positive classroom so that it can influence all the learning of all the students.